Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are fine. I am fine, thank you. Students, last time we have discussed how you can find out the solutions of quadratic equation by factorization method. In this video, we will learn how you can find out the solutions of quadratic equation by completing square method. Let's start today's lecture. For example, I have an example x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Would try to solve this equation by using completing square method. Let's start. Students, the first step is that how you can solve this equation. The basic reason is that try to shift this constant into your right side. The first step is that x squared minus 3x is equal to 4, right? This is the first step. Second step is very important. Notice that this is called equation number 1. Second step is that this constant will be multiplied by minus 1 by 2 whole square. The reason is that here is constant sign minus. Here minus 3 whole square. Very simple trick. That term variable constant x here will become, right? So adding both sides in equation number 1 minus 3 divided by 2 whole square. So add on both sides. Here will become x squared minus 3x plus minus 3 divided by 2 whole square. Here 4 minus plus minus 3 divided by 2 whole square. Right? Here is minus 2. Here will be, you notice that x square, here you can say that formula is developed a square minus b square 2 times this. So we can notice that simple 3 divided by 2 whole square. Here is, try to open this formula. So 4 plus 9 divided by 4, right? Try to solve this equation in this way. So you can say that we can try to solve in this manner. X square minus 3 divided by 2 whole square. Here will be 16 plus 9 divided by 4, right? Now we want to, here is equal to 25 divided by 4. Now we want to write this equation again. Here we can rewrite this equation. X minus 3 divided by 2 whole square. Here is 25 divided by 4. Now try to taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides, right? When you're gonna to taking square root on both sides, you can notice that x minus 3 divided by 2 whole square here will become 25 divided by 4 with positive negative 1. So what is the reason here is positive place with the sign positive negative? The reason is that when you apply from your side positive negative square root negative on both sides, then the sign will become on your right side will be positive negative. Got it? So here this and this cancel. Here x minus 3 divided by 2 here is equal to plus minus 5 divided by 2, right? Now try to solve this. X minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 5 divided by 2. Here other is x minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to minus 5 divided by 2. So first solution you can say that x equal to 5 divided by 2 plus 3 by 2. Here will be x equal to 3 by 2 minus 5 divided by 2. So I'm gonna to remove from this side and rewrite to solve these equations. So you can say that how you can find out the solution. X equal to 5 divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 2, and other is x equal to 3 by 2 minus 5 divided by 2. Here the LCM is same, so you can written as 8, right? Here you can find out the solution. X is equal to 2 3 minus 5. Here is solution 4 by 2 1, and for x is equal to 4, the first solution is this, and you can notice that here the solution will come is equal to minus 1. So this is the required solution of quadratic equation. So you can written as in solution set form. Solution set form has solution 4 comma 1. So this is your required solution of the required quadratic equation. We have started the discussion, right? Now we move forward. This is our first question. Now move forward. How you can solve other sort of equations by quadratic by computing square method. Now I move forward. How you can solve the derivations of quadratic formula, right? How by from standard form. Derivation of quadratic formula by completing square method. By completing square. So try to solve we're gonna to try to solve what is the quadratic standard form. We know that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is the standard form of quadratic equations. Now try to solve it. We find out the quadratic formula by standard form. So first step is that here is a coefficient. We should separate the x square term. So how you can separate the term? You can multiply both sides, or you can divide it both sides. This is the first step, and there is another way. First, you can try to shift this c constant in your right side. So first we shift the constant in your right side. Here bx is equal to minus c. Second step is that you should separate this x square variable on both sides. So how you can separate? Dividing both sides by a. So will come x square plus b divided by ax is equal to minus c divided by a. This is the first step. I'm going to repeat. The first step is that c shift on your right side constant, and second step is that here you can remove the constant coefficient is from x square variables. Okay, now try to solve it on your both side. Here by multiplying 1 by 2 b divided by a whole square. This is called equation number 1. So adding both sides of equation 1 by 1 by 2 b divided by a square, right? B divided by a square. B divided by a. Try to add this term. So you can notice that x square plus b divided by a x plus b divided by 2a whole square. Here will come the term minus c divided. Here is term a. C by a will become b divided by 2a whole square. So here you can notice that the formula is x plus b divided by 2 whole square. Here will become like this proportional scenario. B square divided by 4a square is minus c divided by a. So the next step is that how you try to solve this equations. So how you can gonna to solve this. So you can notice that x plus, so we can try to solve this in a proper manner. You can notice that you can solve this x plus b divided by 2a whole square. Here will become the LCM is 4a square or b square minus 4ac. Here you have LCM term. Now we are going to square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides. So you can notice that here x plus b divided by 2a whole square is equal to positive negative of b squared minus 4a and c divided by 2a. So here will be the remove the term this. So here will become x plus b divided by 2a is equal to plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here the remaining solution is equal to minus b plus minus divided by b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, here is 2a. So LCM is same, we can written as x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the our required formula of quadratic formula of the standard. By using completing square method you can find out the solution. Here I'm gonna to stop my lecture, so hope you will understand all the procedure. The first step was that how you can find out the solution of any quadratic equation by completing square method. Then second was that how you can derivation of quadratic formula by completing square method. So this is the today's lecture. If you have any question, give the description below, comment. I will check your comment and give a reply. So see you shortly. Till next video. Bye.